Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathanchallenge question number 16. Well, question is majority element. Basically, you need to traverse the array and find the number which is occurring more than half times the length of the array. Well, this is a simple code I have written to keep track of how many times the occurrence of some element and basically finding the answer we need. Okay, I'm finding the desired answer. So I have already submitted this code, and this is the time complexity and space complexity. And thank you. I will post more videos.